Okay, quick test. Do you actually remember the kanji from the last few weeks? 10 questions, 4 choices each. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What does this kanji mean? The answer is B. Hon, read moto, means book. Question 2. Which of these kanji means two? It's B. Ni, read futa, means two. Question 3. What does this kanji mean? Correct answer D. Me, read na, means name. Question 4. Which of these kanji means to drink? And it's D. On, read no, means to drink. Question 5. What does this kanji mean? The answer is B. He, read high, means non. Question 6. Which of these kanji means hand? The answer is C. Te, read te, means hand. Question 7. What does this kanji mean? It's B. Eki, read eki, means train station. Question 8. Which of these kanji means noon? Correct answer, C. Go, read go, means noon. Question 9. What does this kanji mean? And it's C. Siki, read siki, means moon or month. Question 10. Which of these kanji means 100? The answer is B. Hyaku, read hyaku, means 100. That's all 10. So, how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. 10 out of 10 earns you bragging rights. There's a new kanji here every single day, so follow along and keep your streak alive. See you tomorrow.